G'day everyone, and thanks for stopping by today. I've got this art journal page that I did do some marks on with some Dylusion paints, but I'm not happy with it, so I'm going to cover it with this colour paint here. Now, I had added these markings a couple of weeks ago, and today when I opened up this page I wasn't entirely happy with it because there's green markings on it and I just didn't feel that this page was going to come together. So in order to fix this, what I'm doing is just covering this whole page up with the bubblegum pink, and I'm just going to apply it with a sponge dabber. Now I do have a Dylusion stamp set here in small borders, and I'm going to use this just to put some interest onto the page. All the supplies that I am using today will be listed over on my website, and my website link will be listed in the description box below. Now I've also recently just purchased the Dylusion's collage sheets in set 1 and set 2, and I absolutely love these. So I have fussy cut these out, and I do it in front of the telly and really did enjoy fussy cutting these out. Now I recently did purchase the Dylusion stamping block as well, because I do really love how this is a nice and thick acrylic ruler, and as you can see I've just cut a piece away from the page, so making sure that I do put a cutting mat below the page because I don't want to cut through the pages underneath. So this stamping block is really good. I have had so much fun with this. I think this is the first page that I actually utilized this stamping block on. So as you can see, it's got some circles on it. I've doodled some circles in it, and there's endless ideas that you can do with this stamping block. And it just helps with a range of doing things on your art journal page. Now with the piece that I have cut off, I do want to make this into a bit of a pocket. So I'm not going to do any tags or anything today to add to the pocket part, but down the track I think I will add some bits and pieces to this page and utilise this pocket or tuck spot. Now I do really enjoy how these pages really bring out some doodling ideas, so I am just really loving playing with doodling. So I've got my white gel pen and just doodling in some circles, just because I put some circles in with that Dylusion stamping block over on the right hand side there. So just really bringing it all together. So I also have a purple gel pen as well, and I'm going to add some more dots and circles amongst the leaves here. I think this will bring this page really together nicely. Now that's my art journal page just about finished for today, and I really do hope this has inspired you to create something like this also. If you have enjoyed this page today, why not check out my playlist on art journal pages? That link will be in the description box down below. Now don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget that notification bell. Until next time, happy crafting. See ya!